Welcome to the BBC's Election Centre. 4 minutes from now, when Big Ben strikes 10, we can legally reveal the contents of this, our exit poll. Until then, our lips are sealed. Tantalising. Jeremy Vine has taken up residence in his virtual world to explain it all.
Welcome to Downing Street, to our virtual Downing Street. Tonight, we'll see how near the winner of this election can get to the very door of number 10. Now, these are the seats won last time. The Conservatives came first, but they didn't have enough to reach this line and govern alone. Tonight, we'll see how close the parties get.
Well, all that exit poll information is being loaded into our giant touchscreen as I speak. The results of talking to 20,000 people throughout the day just after they voted. In a few moments, I should be able to tell you which seats will be changing hands.
Outside Broadcasting House in the centre of London, Sophie Rayworth is standing on a gigantic map of the United Kingdom, a perspective on the political battleground that's been so fiercely fought.
This is our map which shows exactly where the political power in the UK really lies. We have made every constituency exactly the same size. 1 hexagon equals 1 MP. It is laid out in the colours of the 2010 general election. Shortly we will take the whole thing up, and then as the results come in, we will relay it and see how much the power balance has shifted.
But here it is, 10 o'clock, and we are saying the Conservatives are the largest party, which we have. Quite remarkable, this exit poll. 58 for Nicola Sturgeon. That's every seat but one. Remember, 2010 was absolutely on the nail in accuracy. The Conservatives, 316.
David, thank you, and welcome to our rather noisy virtual House of Commons, where we can actually take those numbers from the forecast and physically put the MPs on the benches for you. So let's have a look here. Up 9, an improvement on 2010. And there's Ed Miliband watching the Conservative side to see the Lib Dems come on. So here they come. They are down 47. But here's the remarkable thing. This is where Nick was talking about. Now we bring on the others for you. And it's been quite a good night for Plaid Cymru, the Welsh Nationalists, who gained a seat. And UKIP, the 326 seats you need in the House of Commons for an overall majority.
But saying clearly she thinks 58 seats is unlikely. That said,
For what might actually happen, the seats I've picked out to start with are the ones that are very, very tight Conservative Labour battles. You'll see is right. Let me take you on to another one. This time round, it's Hendon, we're in London, and look at what happened last time round. Very little difference between the two, with ease and a big swing. But if I take you to the forecast, once again, on the later ones, on the bigger numbers, just before we go, I'll show you Sunderland South, the one that we're expecting to get in first. Bridget Phillipson.
In the evening, thanks for joining us. Fiona Bruce is following that race. Fiona, how are we doing? You wanted to beat a record. I can't remember what the record was. You wanted to do it within 40 minutes, didn't you?
But it's a bit of fun, isn't it, early on in the night? It's not going to surprise anybody, but I think these are the record in terms of what happens in Sunderland. I think we're on the Sunderland pictures, but what I was going to